Well, there we are with the wheel. Front wheel. We took out a 20-inch wheel that was leaking. It's punctured. Well, if you get a flat, you lose. It is not known that I checked it and it loses right here in the patch. Yeah, can I put it? Yeah. Yes, yes. There it gets lost at the edge of the patch. Let's see what we can do. If it was opened under the patch, the camera. Or maybe that. The patch is weird on him. The puncture was placed very close to the edge of the patch and the puncture. That happens sometimes when we put the edge there. And the first thing is left for the solution. And the patch holds a little. But over time as it stretches the chamber inflates while losing. But what usually happens is that the chambers open at the bottom because when there is a cut it is not advisable to patch it. Because no matter how much the patch sticks or how big it is, the patch will still open the chamber. Now we are going to remove the patch if I put my hand in it, and if not, I will remove it with the stone and see what is underneath if it can be recovered. If not, we have to change the tube. There it is. Let's see if I can get it out. Sometimes it sticks by itself. If not, I have to pass the stone over it so that it is well. Apparently this one isn't going. Yeah, Navarro, here's the problem. Sometimes it happens that the patch does not stick. Then the air searches for it, seeks to get out. The air seeks to get out. The edge of the patch comes out. The patch does not so. It doesn't seem like it. That one came off. Or the puncture is here instead of. It's in the middle. It's on the edge. You can't see anything. Nothing is deflating. No, it's not. The camera is not broken. It seems that it came loose down here. Evil. It's patched over here. Now I'm going to file. There, evil. The stone is coming. And I'm going to get everything. This here, the old patch, the solution. And let's see how it turns out. Of soul, very little. There. The stone was heated. A bit. I have to be careful because it has glue and the stone tends to be carried to the bed. But be careful. We took out the taco. You have to get everything out of it well. If the other patch isn't going to hit us, it's going to. Well, there. Come, I turn this off in. Just like her, very clean. Very clean. Well, the other patch will not stick back on. If we do not remove all the old solution properly, it will not stick. And apparently the puncture is there. That little white dot. That's the puncture. Yeah. Yes, that I marked it. What happened here is that it stuck. It always comes off like here. The one who throws the talcum powder that is inside the chamber throws the talcum powder and the solution falls around it. When we put. So, when the chamber inflates more, it throws out more talc and dries the solution and the air goes to the side. Go, go. That's why that happens. But now they're going to provide. Let's hit it back. Well, there is the solution. I've already left it. 1 minute. Nothing more than that. Blow a little. 3 minutes. Enough for to dry or to cool it down before applying a patch. I completely deflate the chamber. In this case, I'm going to put a patch on it. Not so big. Don't put a patch on it because the puncture is small. Let's see. I think this measurement is 30, 20, 20. And then another bigger one that is 40 or 50. But this is enough. So we look for the puncture here. We're going to do it like this and we'll search. We'll search well. I think he likes me. There it is, in the middle. That. Sinkhole carefully. It doesn't always work. This gets complicated. Seats. You look for the way back. A little with the nail. How to hold. Do not touch with it, with your hand here. Because if it doesn't stick, it. And then any key fits very well. A little cut looks like this. It is important that the edge sticks well. Do we take this out? Yes, it was. So, if it was glued well, it should stay put. Now I'm going to so the patch doesn't come off. If I find the indicator, I had it around here. Here it is. The final test. So, did the patch turn out? He didn't hit anyone because he threw the camera. All good. Maybe you should try it in the water. Just in case, try it. If we don't catch it. But it remains like this. But it doesn't matter if the patch sticks. It's okay if the patch. Well, this, but it doesn't come out anymore. Well, we fixed a camera. Save a camera? If I don't have to change it.